When we were approached with the opportunity of scoring music to this exhibition, I first looked through the works and found a lot of inspiration just getting a better understanding of the conceptual framework of a lot of these artists, and particularly how Robert Irwin deconstructed the act of painting and slowly came to the conclusion that no thing is truly ever separated from its environment. That act and process of deconstructing form and putting elements into a new context really resonated with me, and it's also a part of how we make music in the ensemble. We draw upon a number of different genres and musical forms, and particularly Nashville sounds like pedal steel and electric guitar and violin, but we present them in a new context to make something fresh. I really think of our music in terms of building a house. My role in the music is to kind of build the frame of the house, but it's really up to everyone else in the group to decorate the house and really make it something beautiful. I typically use very warm analog sounds, but through the focus on industrial materials and light and electricity in a lot of these works, I decided to use more digital kinds of sounds, and sometimes even almost sound like a light bulb buzzing. What I hope people can enjoy from the music in this exhibition is that it just serves as another voice in the conversation, and hopefully can bring out elements that helps them see the works in a new way.